Welcome back. In this video, we're continuing from where we left off. Our goal now is to execute a work order that has already been assigned. The required resources have been allocated, the checklist is ready, and everything is in place for this work order to begin. But before we officially start, let's talk about updating the work order stages. These stages are defined through the stage of tracking SOT Matrix, a configurable structure that outlines the different phases a work order must pass through. We'll dive deeper into the SOT Matrix in a separate demo, but for now, just know that each work order is linked to it, and the stages can and should be updated as progress is made. For example, let's say our first stage is resource allocation. That's already completed, so we'll update it as done on the 28th, with any relevant remarks. Next, we might add a stage like started from base, recorded on the 30th at 8:30, indicating when the service engineer left for the job site. This updating process continues as the service progresses. Once the engineer reaches the site, checks the equipment, or starts the repair, those steps can also be logged. Since the stages list is completely configurable, you can customize it to fit your own operational needs, whether that's 3 stages or 10. Now, since all our resources are in place and everything looks good, we'll go ahead and start the work order. This is done by clicking the Start button, signaling that the actual work has begun on site. As work progresses, we can continue updating the status stages. Once everything is completed, the system allows us to generate and download reports, including a unique UDN, unique document number, and a QR code. These can be tagged to the equipment or included in printed reports, making it easy to scan and retrieve information like who performed the work, which company handled it, when the service was completed. These reports can also be shared with clients as needed. Before completing the work order, if there are any changes in quantity or other field adjustments, for example, delivering 20 units instead of the original 18, those can be edited directly within the system. The service lead can also add remarks or observations, which are reflected in the documentation. Once all updates are made, we'll press Complete to finalize the work order. That means it's now ready for the delivery report to be submitted, and subsequently, for the invoice to be generated and shared with the customer. That's it for this video. In the next one, we'll cover how to handle document delivery and proceed to the billing stage. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next step of the process.